Welcome, bee enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a topic that's both fascinating and crucial for our buzzing friends, the death of a queen bee. What happens when she's gone and how does the hive cope? Let's find out. The queen bee is the heartbeat of the hive. She's the sole fertile female and the mother of nearly every bee in the colony. Her importance can't be overstated. When she dies, it sets off a chain reaction that could threaten the entire hive. Immediately after her death, the hive senses her absence. It's all about those pheromones she produces. They vanish quickly and the worker bees notice almost instantly. The hive becomes disoriented and the search for a solution begins. If no replacement was planned, it's panic time. Now, if the colony is healthy and has eggs or young larvae, the worker bees get to work. They select a few lucky larvae to be potential new queens. These larvae are fed royal jelly, a special substance that helps them develop into queens. It's a race against time, and after several days, the first queen to emerge often eliminates her rivals to secure her spot. Once the new queen is crowned, her journey isn't over. She must embark on a nuptial flight, mating with male drones before returning to the hive. With her return, she starts laying eggs, and the hive's normal function is restored. Stability returns and life goes on. But what if there are no viable larvae, or the colony is too weak? This is where things get grim. Worker bees might start laying unfertilized eggs, leading only to drone production. No new workers mean dwindling resources and eventual collapse. In conclusion, the death of a queen bee is a critical event, but honeybee societies are incredibly resilient and have evolved emergency strategies to survive. From rapid detection to raising a new queen, the hive's adaptability is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a testament to the remarkable cooperation and resilience within bee colonies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more bee-tastic content.